Yeah, that took about 2 hours to get this engine and transmission out of here and kind of get most of this stuff stripped out of the engine bay. So now I think I'm going to go ahead and roll this thing out and hose out all the rodent stuff that's in there and bring it back in over the lift and pull the bed and the body off. All right, another hour in. I've got all the stuff hosed off of the truck, out of the truck. I just used the engine lift to get the bed off of the truck. And now I'm gonna loosen these 6 cab bolts, 2 in the front, 2 at the firewall, and 2 at the back corners of the cab. And then we just gotta undo the steering linkage there and just make sure no cables and wires and things like that are still holding the cab to the frame. Once I'm at that point, I'm going to lower this back down and strap the cab to the lift arms and just pick the cab up, roll the chassis out. There we are. I've got my super janky 2x4 set up just under the rockers, and it's taken me about an hour just to make sure everything is disconnected. I've been there, done that, where you think you've got everything, but then there's a throttle linkage or a kick down cable or something still going from the firewall to the frame, and it ends up getting mangled on the way up. So I'm certain everything is free this time. Here we go. Let's just take a look. Yep, just a few cobwebs. Walk around to the front. Steering and everything is free. I've undone my brake line. There was a wiring harness that was attached from the firewall to the frame. That's hanging down there, undone. So I think we're good to go all the way up at this point. And I'm just gonna go 6 feet up, get it out of my way so I can roll this chassis in and out. So right now it's gonna be time to roll this puppy out, pressure wash it, sand it, paint it, and put new shocks and brakes front to back. And there we go. Cab is 6 feet up. Let's roll this puppy out. It doesn't weigh very much. Now I've just got to be pretty careful not to disturb the lift or the cab, because if that thing falls, this whole project is going down the drain. Okie doke, I think I'm gonna call it quits for the day. I've got this thing kind of hosed off and started kind of scrubbing on it with a wire brush. So I'll take a wire wheel and some 80 grit to it with some cleaning agent tomorrow, get this thing prepped for paint, brakes, and shocks. Hopefully knock that out in one day, and I'm hoping to do that all under the 12-hour mark. Right now I'm getting pretty close to 7 hours.
See y'all next time.